is up, guys? Welcome back to the Luxago live stream. My name is Jacob. Those of you that weren't here yesterday, well, we got a new mic. You guys weren't here last night, so you didn't get to see it. But we're going to start doing some interesting intros. But guys, welcome. New mic. Obviously, yesterday we did a late stream. Lots to talk about from that late stream yesterday, but man, oh man, Crypto Kid already wants the cartwheel. Yeah, we forgot to do the, see if I can do it with it behind my back, but how's everybody doing? How we doing? Guys, yesterday I had an appointment, baby appointment, actually. I have my second baby on the way. So, yeah. Obviously, priorities, my friends, priorities. But good to see you guys. Appreciate you tuning back in. Man, the freaking bot, dude. The bot is not working yet again. I tried something else, just didn't work. But yeah, yesterday, if you weren't here, I got the new mic, so we can literally like do stuff around the room now. Like I can be back here. We can, we can lift some weights if you guys want. We could get crunk in here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. We can do whatever you guys want. But nonetheless, we're here for charting, my friends. You guys know the drill. We're here for charting. It doesn't show? Oh, okay. Appreciate it. God dang. Jacob Whiff Studio. Literally. But, guys, man. Trump. So many room. Yeah, so much room for activities. Trump, man. If you guys didn't hear already. I got to build muscles to spin Pepe. You're correct. Didn't hear already. Trump convicted. All accounts, my friends. Interesting today. Obviously, today wasn't a huge reaction to that, I will say. We pretty much had a, let me double check here. Bad report this morning. It was up early on the PCE inflation miss. And going into that, here, I'll show you. I was going to see here. Move this over a bit. We had the PCE month-over-month report this morning, 8:30. And it did miss. And the year-over-year pretty much stayed the same on the core and just overall regular. I was going to see the notes from BK here. Market went down on Chicago PMI. Oh, yeah. I forgot. It was this one. I have it up already. I was just making sure. Trump had that press conference where he's going to appeal guilty verdict. I don't know, man. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. Jordy, now, you think Trump's going to jail? We talked about this yesterday if you guys were on stream. It's hard to say. The guy literally was a president, right? We were saying he's going to be on White House arrest because he's going to get elected. This is just going to boost his campaign, right? I can't imagine the amount of donos that man got yesterday. I'm pretty sure my dad donated to him after that happened. He's never donated to him before, and he did yesterday because of that. I mean, it's like, I don't know, man. But we don't really talk about politics on stream. We go over charts here. Y'all know the drill. But I'm honestly going to shocked to see kind of where it sways after this whole debacle. You know what I'm saying? Either way, Chicago economic activity, goodness gracious. Chicago's economy is terrible. Just kidding. Chicago economic activity falls to the lowest level in 4 years. PMI 35.4 versus 41.1. That's a huge miss, guys. That's not the greatest thing. That is a massive miss. Probably big reason why we're down today. But obviously we've been at all-time highs. But you guys, let me go over to the ES here because for the U.S. market's been a little bit more aggressive to the downside than anything. The Bitcoin's kind of holding where we want it to hold. But we talked about this all-time high break and then this Fibonacci retracement, right? We have the 50%, right? We still have that 50% retracement that could play nice. So that lines up with that previous high as well and that change of character we formed. So, I mean, where do we head from here? That's honestly the real question. We kind of got to wait into next week. Next week's news we'll go over here in a minute. Besides that, those of you obviously that weren't on stream yesterday, we finally got the symbols for the ETFs on Ethereum. Go over that again today. Guys, BlackRock is ETHA. Fidelity is FETH. Vanek is ETHV. And then the Franklin Templeton is EZET, which honestly, that one's probably my favorite. I said somebody missed the opportunity on naming it meth, to be honest. I was hoping somebody did meth. Didn't happen. What a bummer. Did I miss Bitcoin prediction? No. But Dennis was here late last night. But I know we have a lot of European viewers, so I appreciate you guys that were tuned in with us last night, man. Freaking crazy that you were here at 3 a.m., but I very much appreciate it. Guys, today's a $300 giveaway as well. So in just a minute, you'll learn how to do that. You do have to be subbed if you want to be a part of that $300 giveaway. But besides that, yeah, I mean, crazy news going on. It's really going to be interesting to see what happens with this whole Trump thing. It's like the first time in forever. I feel like with a presidency candidate. I feel like maybe it's happened once or twice before, but it's wild to me. I'll try to. I'm not gonna talk much about it, but I mean, because I don't really follow it a ton. I just follow whatever affects the market, right? Where's Crazy, right? Crazy's not here till the giveaway starts. Crazy's not here till the giveaway starts. You know the drill. That being said, everybody that's just out tuning in, that's a Hodl Gang member, you have requested for a place to chat within the Discord, right? Place to chat within the Discord. We have now granted your request. If you join the Discord, mods, when you put the link in the chat, if you join the Discord and you click the Hangout right here, click the Hangout button, go up to the top of the page, hit Threads right here, and boom, we have our own little Hodl Gang chat right there. We have a Hodl Gang thread that we've already been chatting in. There you can see. Hodl Gang, there's Dane. So yeah, we'll be in there, and obviously you can already see you guys chatting in there. But yeah, we'll do some fun reactions and stuff here. We can talk about y'all's charts as well if you want to post them in here. We can do whatever, honestly. We can use this chat for whatever, but we'll hang out and talk about everything in the market. I'll try to be in there as much as I can, talking about potential trades we're in, stuff like that. Besides that, though, Ethereum earlier was actually green. I don't know. It is still green. Ethereum's green today. Like, out of all the cryptocurrencies, Solana's holding, and then Ethereum is holding, which is really, really awesome, to be honest. Look at there. But, like, Bitcoin down today, 1.5%. I hate how much Bitcoin has been reacting to U.S. news. It makes sense. We're probably going to see the same thing, obviously, with Ethereum once these ETFs kind of come in and start trading. But, like, I don't know. Kind of stinks that we got that. But I don't know. We'll see where Bitcoin heads here. We're at a very key level of 67 yet again. It's like, guys, if you were here on Wednesday, it's like we never left, right? It's just been chilling here. There's no discount today, man. You might have to come back sometime next week. There might be something. But we just randomly do them. It just depends when the team wants to do them. But yeah, guys, I mean, so much. But going in to next week, let's take a quick look at that news. I forgot to pull it up, but I'll pull it up right now. How's everybody doing? If you guys didn't tune in last night, hopefully you had a good day off. But we're back, ready to get at it. Let's see what we got going on news next week. It is already June. Isn't that crazy? Literally my baby's due July 4th. Which is pretty sick. 4th of July, baby. I don't know. Obviously, it's usually not at the exact date. Sometimes it is, but man, it's like baby number 2. What am I gonna do? They'll be eventually in a year or two. They're gonna be right around behind me. So get ready for that. All right, going into this next week. On the U.S. side, we got PMI on Monday. Wow, coming out of the gate. Hey, take part in the giveaway. We'll be doing the giveaway here very soon. We have ISM PMI on Monday. Be ready for that. That's obviously 10 a.m. Going in from 10 a.m., we have the job openings. Jobs were good, guys. Less people are getting fired. Less people are quitting. That's good. It's a good sign for the U.S. side. ADP non-farm on Wednesday, 8:15. It's an interesting time. 8:15, usually it's like 8:30. Besides that, we got crude oil. PMI at 10 a.m., so that'll be some nice movement at 10 a.m. Good volatility. Looks like Thursday's pretty calm. And then Friday, hourly earnings. We got NFP on Friday. Those of you that trade gold know what's up with that. Any forex traders in the house know what's up with NFP. Unemployment rate as well. So Friday, heavy news next week. Friday, huge news report next week. You will say be careful for number 3. Yeah, right. There's one simple tip to be a pro trader: buy on Sunday, sell on Monday. Yes, sir. You've cracked the code, Dame. You cracked it. You have officially cracked the code. All right, guys, let's get into the Bitcoin predictions. I hate the freaking bot, dude. The bot's making me mad. Why, bot? Why are you doing this to me? Why now? Why now, brother? I mean, you just love messing up. I even clicked the stream. I even clicked the copy settings from the stream from before that it worked on. So, bot just such a bummer. All right, let me make sure it's pinging in the other chat though. Let's see. Is it pinging in the other chat? Show up. Because that's gonna be upsetting if the bot's not working at all. It is. Okay, it is in the other chat. Of course it is. Okay, I do see that they updated some stuff on Streamlabs. There might be an updated version of how to fix that, so I will look into that as well. I'm sure a lot of people are having the exact same issue. But guys, welcome back. New mic, new me, new you, new everything. Let's get it. All right, Tess, we are on Bitcoin right now, man. But we're about to do the Bitcoin predictions. Yesterday, we did Bitcoin predictions for fun. We did it for fun, and guess what? Yeah, boy, won. I think we were up $100 though. We did it for fun yesterday. Didn't count as points though. John Paul still in first with 301, with Jockey in second at 226 on the Bitcoin points, on the prediction points. Now, yeah, sorry, I need to. I'm gonna figure this out though. I will say. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unlist the other stream so this one can come over, and we're gonna get crack-a-lackin'. I don't know why I just said that, but whatever. Crack-a-lackin'. Man, I honestly wish I could just pick which stream it would be on. Just let me do that. I'm gonna look into the new settings. In order to import your data from our desktop chatbot, you will need these steps. I have a... Oh. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. I'll figure it out. In just a second, the bot should jump over. We're going to go into Bitcoin predictions. If you want to be a part of today's Bitcoin predictions, make sure you tune in to the main stream. Go back to the YouTube channel. Click the stream with me as the thumbnail saying these markets are red, man. I figured out how to get the stream deck on my phone so I can do stuff like this. I can do it on my phone now. I can be over here. I can be over here and be like, wait a second. I gotta find the button.
Who's your daddy?
You feel me? Daddy's here, baby. Daddy's here. All right, come on, bot. Get back over. There it is. All right. The bot is here. Let's get it. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and do the Bitcoin predictions. To be part of that today, jump into the main stream. If you don't see the bot in your stream, you're in the wrong stream. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the ones from yesterday, and we're going to open up the queue on today. I'm going to do my analysis, pick mine more or less. Right now, the price we're going to go with looks like it's going to be. We're going to 67,309. You guys think it's going to be more or less than 67,309? Put it in the chat now. Exclamation BTC more or less than 67,309. Now, if you're new to this, the point system gets you on the leaderboard. We have a top 10 leaderboard. If you're in the top 10 at the end of the week, you get a 1 in 10 chance of winning $100. The best way to get points is doing these Bitcoin predictions. Now, the way they work is you put in whether you think it's going to be more or less than a set price at the beginning of the stream. At the end of the stream, if you are correct, you get 100 points added to your profile. It's easy as that. Now it's my turn. All right, what am I going to put in today, brother? What am I putting in today? So we're going to do our Bitcoin analysis here shortly, and then we're going to talk about, and then after that is when the predictions end, okay? And getting a bounce back already. We got that bearish turning point. It's inside this order block. It's back up. Man, the problem is trying to predict this thing in the next... I feel like it could come right back down here in the next hour. Got an hour what? What's our time frame? You got to figure out whatever you think it's going to be in an hour. In 40 minutes, where do you think the Bitcoin price is going to be? You think it's going to be more or less than 67,309? That's why this is so difficult. It's hard to just say it's going to be more or less in, like, because you have a time limit. You have a set time limit. That's why it's so hard. Right now, I mean, 15 minute, 30 minute. On the 30 minute here, went up and I'm going less, guys. Going less on this today. I see the bullish divergence, but I think it could come back. Ah, that's tough. It just rejected that on the 30 minute as well, that same low. That's going to be a tough one. It's going to be a tough one. I don't think it's done, though. I think this is a nice reset that could come back down. I'm going less. Guys, inverse me. I know you've done it before. We're going to go over, guys, we're going to take all suggestions here in a minute. We are going to go over gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, the ES, the NASDAQ, all of that here in just a second, okay? And then we can take suggestions after we go over all those majors. But let me go ahead and go live on the other platforms, my friends, and then we're going to get to it, okay? So, guys, get those Bitcoin predictions in if you haven't already. If you don't see the bot in the chat, then you're in the wrong chat. I'm saying less because we already had this full bounce back here, and on the 30-minute there was rejecting this low. The only reason I'm saying less most of all is because it did break structure, too. You see that BOS there? And it had its pullback. So the problem is, though, I'm assuming it's going to be less in an hour and 40 minutes. Now, this thing could, in 30 minutes, go back and retest this low. It could bounce back an hour, and then, an hour later, it's back up here, right? I could be right for the first hour, and then it just flips on me, right? It's very possible, but I think for this this spot here, the 15 minutes really selling it, too. It didn't break that structure there, that lower high it set. I think it could easily come back, and also it's at the 50 level here. So I don't know. It's very tough. This is hard. I get why you guys struggle with it. It is hard to predict what's going to be in a set time frame. All right. Sorry. Let me go live on the other platforms. Red date. Let's see. Okay. All right, there we go. Is that working? Okay, guys. I think that's good over there. I got to make sure. I think we're good. Looks like we are. Okay, cool. Save. Okay, we're good over there on TikTok. I go live on Instagram, and then we're ready to go, my friends. Let's see if we can get that Les prediction in or not. Come on, Les. Y'all always go inverse me, so. What's up, TikTok? Welcome back. What's up? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Yo, what's up, Instagram? Welcome back as well to the Lexile live stream. Let's get into our charting. Right now, guys, if you want to put in your Bitcoin predictions, make sure you jump into the main YouTube stream. We're also going to do that $300 giveaway in just a second. Tartar, we're climbing up for now, brother. But hopefully in an hour and 40 minutes, we reject that same high. Short, like a 15-minute trade makes sense for a long, but I'm not playing 15 minutes. We're playing an hour and, well, hour 44 now. So we'll see. We'll see where we're at in hour 44. All right. Let's go ahead and get to the charting portion of this. Guys, wrong. Yeah, that was the right button. I was about to say, was it the wrong button or not? Boom, here we go. All right, guys, so welcome. If you're on any of the other platforms, you're just now joining us. If you want to get your Bitcoin prediction in, okay, make sure you join the main YouTube stream. You go to the YouTube and you click the one with me as the thumbnail in it. What you do is, at the beginning of the stream, I said, do you think it's going to be more or less than this price point here, 67,341 by the end of the stream? Do you think it's going to be more or less than that price? So you're pretty much trying to make a prediction based on a hour and 40 minutes where it's going to be. So this is my prediction. I think it's going to be less than this price. We'll see. I think this level, though, for a move into tomorrow is a good long, but I'm talking about hour and 40 minutes. All right. You can go get those predictions in to see what you think it might be on the main YouTube stream. I thought falsifying an account was a standard practice. It is, man. That's the thing. Do we free Trump today? Gosh, dang it. Y'all are great. All right, let's go ahead and get to. I'm gonna go to Tether before people come in here and they're like, "Dude, why would you short at that level, bro?" And they don't understand that we're doing a completely different thing. All right, so guys, this is the level for today that we are 100% wanting to see it close above, right, on Bitcoin. So, guys, at the end of the Bitcoin prediction, end of the Bitcoin analysis, we will be closing those Bitcoin predictions. Okay. So right now, if it does close above this previous high right here of 67,232, then, you know, I'm going to be good for today. I like this pullback so far. It's been holding day over day. Even with the U.S. being down today, we had that nice bounce back yesterday. We probably needed that bounce back yesterday to be healthy today, okay? Yo, free speaker, if you want to put in that Bitcoin prediction, you got to type in exclamation BTC less, okay? Make sure you type in exclamation BTC. So, yeah, 67,420 right now, blaze up. But in this case, yeah, I need to really see this thing hold its value above that 66,800. It's continuing to do so, and I think we'll get that move. But so long as it trades above the chotch, I'm not too worried about it. Sorry, let me pull that fib one more time, my bad. Because look at how on the fib, we still have that 50% retracement lining up beautifully with the close of that change of characters candle. So it does look solid, and it's above that 65K. I think maybe we could get a retest of the 65K, right? If it does break this previous lower high there. If it doesn't, then y'all know the drill. I think we're just going to completely go rebound back to 71. So that's just a matter of time. Consolidation is really solid for time, right? Consolidation is really solid for time. In this case, though, where does it end up in the next 4 hours? If this closes as strong as it's looking like right here on the 4 hour, you'll probably see a repeating candle like this. Here you go. Here, look at the same thing happening right now. Same zone off of that daily high there. Same candle is happening right here, right? Coming back up. Notice how this candle. There we go. Notice how this candle closed back down though. So I'm praying that happens for Bitcoin predictions. Can you look at wheat? Come on, Frank. Are you serious, brother? But yeah, watching that is pretty key here. So seeing if it can close like this would be really nice. Get a nice little bounce back, potentially, possibly 2 4-hour green candles coming off that level, especially with it closing above this lower open close low there. So on the daily here, let's go back to the weekly, sorry. On the weekly here, remember, we have that 65.67 coming from this open close weekly high. We talk about it all the time. So as long as price continues to trade above that, you can see we got the bullish turning point as well in the oscillator above the 50 level too. So I really do like that. Consolidation between 65 and 71, I will be 100% happy with. I promise you. I'll be so happy with that consolidation. I'll take it all day long. You hear me? Now, that being said, watching for that is pretty key. I would not want this weekly to close anywhere near last week's low or even its open. I mean, they're very close. The 66,274, I wouldn't want it to close near that. That would indicate a very significant lower high. If it closes where it's at, we're happy. I think we completely rebound after that. I think next week we have a bullish run. It looks something similar to, let me find the candle that I'm looking for from that move there. I don't like that last week it had that massive wick up and then had an issue. I'm not a huge fan of that, but I mean, here you go. This closed over that weekly's high and it continued, but here you go. It would look something similar to this. Now, that had a week after that was bearish, but it inevitably kind of went up, set a new high. But again, so long as kind of you had that, if it's a bearish candle, you have a smaller body. It's usually a good sign from after this impulse. You don't want a full doji, but if it's like hovers right around where it's at right now and closes. Ideally, it closes, green and closes above, last week's open, or it closes up here around 70K. We got 2 hours, 6 hours. We got 2 days and 6 hours left for that potentially to happen. But right now, honestly, if it could just close above the previous day's open close right there, I'll be happy on that weekly candle. So we just got to kind of wait for that, okay? But, guys, we're going to take suggestions here in just a second, okay? I promise you. We'll take suggestions in just a second. But for Bitcoin, guys, let's go to the 4 hour really quickly. Like we said, we got this potential candle closing bullish here. We'll see how it reacts in just a minute going into the end of stream. It's looking good right now for the more. We'll see how this closes. 4 hour does look pretty strong for a continuation. Hour 43 minutes. Kind of going to close at the end of the I should have thought about that on the clock here for the 4 hour, because the 4 hour looks like it would close like this. So it kind of looks like it would 100% close more. It could close more aggressive, but we'll see. We shall see. I should have looked at the 4 hour a little bit more. But that being said, for Bitcoin, this is it. This is the level it's got to hold. It's hold this area here. These previous highs lining up very nicely off 617 as well, or 67,150. My bad. But yeah, let's look in the signals and overlays. We're still trading within that Neo Cloud. I'm gonna optimize this to 19 as said in the dashboard. Oh no. The camera is lagging, I think. Oh yeah, I had this issue. Let me fix it. Cam leak. I was wondering what happened with this. Don't glitch on me. Hold on, guys. Praying this continues to work. Cam leak, don't do it to me. Don't do me like that. I'll just reset it, guys. One sec. There we go. There you go. You missed my pretty face, huh? I'm just kidding. Hold on, I do want to get the other. I got to get our new. Some of the Hodl gang doesn't even remember, or doesn't even know yet. They don't even know of our new effect. Should we show them? People that were here last night. So we implemented something new yesterday. That's pretty cool. So come on, Camlink. Seriously, Camlink, you gonna do that to me? That's our new thing. Wait, cartwheel? Y'all in this cartwheel crap, dude. Like, chill. All right, I'll do a cartwheel at some point. I'll do a cartwheel at some point. All right, guys. Yeah, in just a minute, we're gonna be doing the giveaway. After we finish our Bitcoin here. So get your Bitcoin prediction in real quick. That being said, guys, yeah, we're still inside the Neo Cloud, right? We still have bearish candles, okay? Still inside the Neo, though. Neo's always a no trade zone on any time frame. You're in that Neo Cloud, no trade zone. Needs to be outside of it to show. Now, that's if you're a range trader, you can trade inside the Neo. But when you're outside that Neo Cloud, that's when you start to show that you want to trend, right? That's when the trending portion of trading starts to come in when you're outside that Neo. Now, on the daily, right, here's your retracement. Oh, here's your retracement from the high, right? We pulled back I mean, we could consider this a bull flag. I wouldn't say it's a bull flag. It's just too many days. But it has that similar pattern where it's that slow consolidation before its next move, which I really like. So we'll see kind of how it treats these highs yet again. But you can see we're still trading above its Neo Cloud, which is good. But it is a thin Neo Cloud, so that could kind of mean it's ranging as well. But it hasn't gone back inside that Neo, so that's a good sign there. Everything's kind of leaning a little bit more to the upside for now, with it's trying to potentially bounce off of that area as well. Yeah, we'll kind of wait and see, guys. We'll take suggestions here in a little bit. Guys, we're going to dive into the $300 giveaway here in just a second. I'm going to go ahead and close the Bitcoin queue. That's pretty much it for Bitcoin for now. Let's just see it this week. I can close over at least 668, 669, 667, around there, okay? About a $200 range. I'm closing it right now. Sorry, Dame, if you missed it. You missed it, brother. I don't know how you missed it. I will say that. But let's get to one sec here. Are you streaming till the 4-hour candle close? It's probably gonna be close. It just depends. It's gonna be pretty close. How much longer on the 4-hour candle? Got an hour 39. It's gonna be really close, actually. Yeah, I'll stream till that close, 100%. All right, let's get to Bitcoin. Let's get to the giveaway, my friends. If you want to be a part of today's giveaway, you got to make sure you're in the main YouTube stream, okay? And you do have to be subbed to be a part of it as well, okay? So in order to be a part of the giveaway, in just a second, you're going to see how you enter, okay? If you're on the main YouTube stream, all you have to do is type in a command, but the only way you can be able to be to be a part of it is you do have to be subbed to the YouTube. But if you want 5 entries instead of 1, make sure that you join the Hodl gang. You go to the join page. You go to our YouTube channel. You hit join in the on the main channel. You'll see our members right in the middle of the page, or at the bottom of this live stream on YouTube. There should be a join button as well. All right, yo, Marmoon, how you doing, man? We're gonna go over near today, Muhammad. Don't worry, we're gonna go over near today, 100%. All right. Let's go ahead and get to the giveaway, my friends. In just a second, you're going to see how you can enter. Make sure you're subbed to be a part of it. If you want extra entries, join the Hodl gang. It's literally $1. Or if you have YouTube Premium, you can join for free. I'm going to go ahead and pin that message. I'm going to give everybody in the main chat a second to enter, and then it's going to jump over to the other stream, and we'll let you guys enter over there as well. You are doing trading in gold. We're about to look over gold here in a second. But entries are live, guys. Besides that, while the chat's going nuts, we got a Hodl Gang Discord now, guys. Make sure you join up to the Discord. You click the Hangout right here. Yo, we got a new Hodl Gang member. Varun, dude, welcome, my friend. Welcome. Yo, Hodl Gang's in the chat for more. Varun, welcome. Appreciate you. Guys, you want to be a part of our Hodl Gang kind of Discord chat, make sure you click the Hangout area. Top right-hand corner, click Threads, and then you'll see Lux Cycle live on YouTube. If you want it to stay up like it is on my screen, you just have to type in there. All right, we got to type Hodl Gang. We're going to bring the emotes over very soon as well. Make sure you go in there and join up, my friends. Join up. Yo. There you go. All right, let's get it. Yeah, that was Bitcoin, guys. Let's jump over to Ethereum while the giveaway is going. Let's get it. 30K 88. What are you talking about, brother? What you talking about, Willis? Bitcoin double top already. Discord's completely free as well, guys. So I'm not selling you no Discord. You kidding? I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of time on there, and then we're gonna keep going. All right. You have liquidation at 34 cents, and who would put 30K into 88, brother? Come on, man. 30K into 88? Dude, just buy more Bitcoin, dude. Oh my gosh. Or Solana. Inferno, I appreciate that, man. Hopefully you tune back in and continue. The Lux Algo? Yeah, chocolate in my undies for real, no cap. That's his name. Wait, what? Hold on. Let me read that back. He said, this man said, the Lux Algo question mark, and his name is chocolate in my undies for real, no cap. Come on, brother. Come on. It didn't work that time. It didn't work that time. What is that? Yo, Bay, welcome to the Hodl Gang. Appreciate you joining up. guys, how to guys in the chat for Bay and Alro Boy. I don't even know what your last name is, but I appreciate you guys joining. Let's get it. Let's get it. How to guys in the chat, baby. Bay, welcome, and Alro. Hopefully, dude, I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, man. We got a lot of people that join up with interesting names, but appreciate you joining up. If you give me, I'm probably saying that very wrong, but it's not bad, dude. Welcome. I swear it's chocolate. It kind of stinks, though. I don't know why. Okay. Goodness gracious. Yeah, TikTok names are interesting. You can be whatever you want these days. All right, guys, let's get to Ethereum. The green dog in the house. The green dog up $27. Up 27. That's insane. All right, so Ethereum, guess what? Bouncing and respecting our level. Right, 3,700 was Mr. Miyagi. That was the level that we wanted, right? We wanted that key level to hold up. We want it to hold beautifully. It's closing or trading right now well above it. So let's see this week if we can close up and trade above the 3,700. Now, obviously this week, that high that we had before, I just wanted to see this thing close over this previous open close high over here. Right there, boom. I just want to see it close over that. If it does, we're looking prime for that next 3,900 move. Now, obviously, Oscillator's coming down on the daily. Let's go. That's very nice. Very, very nice. If we get kind of a little bit of a bounce back here from this level off the 37.3282, would be great as well. So we're going to see if this turning point can drive us into that higher move. Now, notice here, we've been trading and consolidating quite a while in the money flow down here. Came with a full retrace, and now we're back up, which is awesome with that ETF news. Now, remember, guys, if you're just now tuning in, ETFs have been announced for what they're going to be called. Okay, so BlackRock's is Ether. Fidelity is Feth. I honestly like Fidelity the most. Vanek is ETHV, and then Franklin is EZET. Brother, if you want updates like that, make sure you follow the Twitter. You hear me? Follow that Twitter. Besides that, man, we got to on the weekly break and close above 4K. If we can get a closing candle above 4K, that would be ideal. That would be ideal. Let's trade it and close above 4K. Now, if that happens, we'll be primed up. All right, that'd be real nice. Love the turning point there to continue this trend. We'll see if we get it on the signals and overlays, though. Let's take a quick glance because we had a beautiful retest in the NeoCloud, and we escaped the matrix of that NeoCloud. So NeoCloud being back up here, we don't trade in the NeoCloud, right? We finally got a nice pullback like this, or a nice little breakout like that. Now, honestly, I'd be watching fib levels from its breaking move there. Boom. I'd be watching somewhere around these previous highs. I honestly would watch, 36.43 if we get that full pullback. This level right here is pretty prime. I rather bounce where we're at, right? Let me optimize sensitivity on the daily here to 15, as said in the dashboard down here. Now, in this current state, though, right, here's your Neo, right? If we pull up our fib in this current state, where is it going to be lining up with? The top of it lines up with 3,500. That's pretty key, right? Top of the golden pocket there lines up with 3,500. Obviously, 50% is the best you could go about, but this is news pumps, right? A lot of time, that retracement will happen off of that news pump. We're just going to look for whether or not a certain level holds or not from these previous lower highs, right? So keeping that lower high in mind, we're going to watch the trade and continue to trade above it. Next target right now is going to be 4,069. You hear me? 4,069 for my fellas in the back. But yeah, ideally though, remember what we said though. We plotted this well before. That 3,927, right, had major reactions before. There was one here, right? Bam, one there. All you have to do is draw a line off those major levels on the weekly, and there you go. Reject, the easiest take profits of your flipping life. Make sure you lock in on those and you don't forget it. Now, guys, we're doing a $300 giveaway right now on the main YouTube channel. If you want to be a part of that $300 giveaway, you do have to be subbed. You have to be subbed, and you have to type an exclamation 100 in the chat. If you don't see other people type an exclamation 100 and the bot confirming that they got an entry, you are in the wrong chat. Make sure you go to the right stream. There's two streams on YouTube. Make sure you're in the right one. Ethereum, though, guys, watching for that continuation and closing on the weekly over that 3,700. I think we're good. Let's jump over to gold, and then we're going to jump into good old Solana. My favorite crypto besides Bitcoin. Good old Solana. All right, so what we say on gold, baby? What we say on gold? What we say on gold? Let me go back here real quick. Hold on. Give you 1 second. Give me 1 second. What we say on gold? Huh? Yes, what we say on gold? Did I say we're gonna retest that low? Did I say we're gonna retest that low or what? Huh? Did I say we're gonna retest it? Did I? I gotta figure this out. Hold on. Now we go back here.
Who's your daddy?
That's right, baby. That's right, baby. Let me get 5 for you for retesting that low. Let me get 5 for you.
Who's your daddy?
Let me get a few more. Let me get a few more. There we go. I'm gonna get ripped on this stream when we're right, baby. I'm gonna get ripped on this stream. We broke that low. I talked about breaking that low, and we freaking ripped that low, baby. That's what I'm saying. We ripped that low. We're dumping the markets, but you know, maybe do I need to put a toilet over there when we're short? No, that's a little crazy when we're dumping. I'm honestly gonna get ripped on this stream. Here comes the time you break that high. We're gonna be doing some. I gotta get rid of this dad bod, guys. Come on. I gotta get rid of it. I got the my family jeans are big boy jeans or big. I'm medium boy. I don't know. Who's your daddy? We're gonna get ripped on this stream. The best weight loss plan right now. Lux Algo live stream with Jacob Hodl Gang Strong, baby. Let's go. Tune in every day. All right. That being said, guys, we retested this low right here. Somebody clip that, by the way. Go back and clip that. Hodl Gang, clip that thing for me. I want to hear that. You won't be boring for that 24-hour stream if I just freaking just go nuts. I thought it was a green background. It used to be. All right, guys, we broke this low. We discussed it on stream. We said, hey, a few days ago, what was with go-kart yesterday? What? A few days ago, remember this right here. We talked about this bear flag breaking. There's your break. There's your retest, and there's your dump, right? This you could have taken a short off of here as well with a swing high stop. Boom, retest the low. That's money in the bank. Now, from there, though, where do we head now? I honestly think we're going to hit 2,300, guys. If we hit 2,300, we'll go even more nuts on stream. Move the exercise bike near the stream screen now. Honestly, I was thinking about, this is the uplift desk, so I can lift this up. I'll probably stand by the end of the stream. But I should just put the bike up there and we'll ride it and look at charts. How about that? I think somebody else does that, though. I don't want to steal their thunder. I've seen a few 100% order blocks. What does that mean? You might have not enough order blocks up. Default order blocks, you won't see a 100% order block. What'd you say? Gold is down. My TP 2304.99 and my tire. I don't know what you're saying. Your TP is 2304. Oh, so you're short. I didn't understand the second half of that. Yeah, man, I like the 2300 level. I like a lot. We're gonna be inside this as well, guys. Right here on this order block, you see how there was more buyers and sellers. That comes from this structural shift here, right? There's more buyers and sellers in this shift, meaning that buyers, when price retests that level, might be tired. They might be exhausted. So it touching this level, it could easily make this a breaker. It could sell right through that level because there was more buyers before, right? That doesn't mean there's going to be more buyers sitting there. Now, if we start seeing buyers step in again, they could take that level back up. But we got 27% here. Let's see what happens when it retests that level. There, it's not that big of a difference. Like, you want to see a way bigger difference. Usually, if you like this, right? Like, look at this right here. See? Way more buyers and sellers happened there, right? Price went back up to it. Buyers were extremely exhausted right here just because of the big difference. Like, that's like a third. That's 1/3, if not less, than the buyers at that level just by that bar there. Went up into that level yet again and just completely got demolished. Yeah, so, I mean, that's pretty much a big reason how to read these. And we just posted a video on it. So go check that out as well, honestly. Wheat, please, he said. Yeah, but for gold right now, 2,300 is that target. You're probably going to see a little bit of issues around like 2310, I think, if this fully does break that low. But yeah, I do think it's going to potentially break that low again, and then we might see a really nice run to the downside. Now, that's the 4 hour. On the daily here, we could see we have 2300 actually sitting right here close to the bottom of this kind of inverse head and shoulders setup, right? This is big on quotations, right? Because you had here's your lower low, right? Broke structure. Here's your head, and then here's your very micro higher low. It's still the same concept that happens a lot. It doesn't have to be perfect for it to play with the same psychology. So in that case, yeah, honestly, 2300 looks very dialed. That would indicate a very nice range here. We did break down. We did not. Dude, look at this failed turning point right here. No turning point formed right here. That failed. So this is open the floodgates, baby. Let's freaking hit 2300. Give it to me. Come back. Give it to me. Can you explain a bit more detail how to use price action concepts on later? Maximum, go watch the video we just posted. Are we going over gold today? Did this man just say are we going over gold today, dude? Dude, we're going over gold right now, brother. Look at the chart. Come on, dude. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's act like we're watching here. Let's act like we're watching here. Goodness gracious. All right. That being said, man, I like it. I like the downside here. That's a great bear flag. This is a grade A bear flag just because of the impulse, and then it fades back, right? This is pretty much just shorts kind of taking profit. Maybe then they re-short, or new sellers come in, right? That's pretty much how it goes. All right, guys, you want to be a part of today's $300 giveaway? Make sure you join the main YouTube stream. You see, when you go to LuxAlgo YouTube, or you just search LuxAlgo on YouTube, you'll see two streams. You got to click the one with me as the thumbnail with Bitcoin and gold behind me, and they're red. Yeah, click that one. And that's how you enter the giveaway. You just type in !100 in the chat, and you have a chance to win $100. That being said, if you are a Hodl Gang member, you do get 5 entries versus 1. You have to be subbed to get your entry as well. Just give me a hard time, Pat. Nah, it's all good, man. I appreciate the drama. I appreciate it. For Bitcoin, we tapped the 4-hour smart trail support exactly in bounce. Do you think it'll hold? Yo, guys, we're less. Yeah, so this is interesting, man. This is yet another retest of this exact same level. I like the 15-minute short on this. Obviously, this is our Bitcoin prediction, so we're going for that potential downside within. This is so hard to time, but potential downside within less than an hour, or hour and 10 minutes. So we'll see here in a minute. Yo, Shane with the 1 month, bro. Welcome, or not welcome. Appreciate you being here for a month, man. That's a timer thing. But Shane, guys, Hodl Gangs in the chat either way. Hodl Gangs for Shane for being here for 1 month, man. Appreciate you. Bitcoin right now, we're watching to see if this 4-hour candle can close bearish or not. My Bitcoin predictions by the end of the stream is going to be less for now. We'll see. Let's go over Solana, guys. Bitcoin predictions are closed, though. Guys, if you want to be a part of Bitcoin, like at the beginning of every stream here, if you've never been here before, what we do at the beginning of every stream is that we do this thing called Bitcoin predictions. When you're here, you have a chance to put in what do you think Bitcoin is going to be more or less than a certain price. And then at the end of the stream, if you're correct, whether it was more or less than that price by the end of the stream, you get 100 points added to your profile. If you become a top 10 viewer, aka you got the most points that week and you're in the top 10 list, you get a 1 in 10 chance of winning $100. Just yet another fun thing to kind of hang out and do in the chat. All right, so appreciate every single one of you for tuning in. Let's keep going. All right, Solana, my friends, biggest thing, remember, was 160. Say it with me, 160. Can I get a 160 in the chat? Come on, 160 on Solana. Now, Solana here, that's pretty much it. All right, 160. 160 is that level we're watching. First of all, we did have that inverse head and shoulders that played out quite nicely. It went up and hit 190 roughly. And that being said, it pulling back, and now it's hovering around 165. So 165, guess what? 50% retracement. You hear me? We got that BOS as well. BOS sitting right there with that previous high. Here's your BOS, okay? BOS is being pretty much locked in. You got the 50% retracement on the Fibonacci as well. This thing looks really good. Look at the weakness on the sell side for Solana here. Look, closed up, or almost closed up today. Yet again, weakness. This thing is literally just waiting for daddy to get home. You hear me? It's like we're just waiting for the market to say, hey, now's the time. It's literally asking, are we there yet? Are we there yet? then when we're there, it's going to give you that nice pop so long as this holds, right? We don't need that big volume to come in on the sell side. We just need to be patient and wait, okay? Do you trade gold as well? When there's a setup, man, I'll trade gold, man. When there's a setup. It all depends on setups. Now, right now, guys, 165 is going to be ideal. But again, 160 is it. 160 is what we're watching. If it's going to trade and continue to trade above 160, it's just a matter of time before we get back over 174. And we'll wait. If it breaks below 160, we'll talk about downside targets. But for now, it's above 160. We're happy campers. We think the odds are stacked in your favor above that area and going for 174. After that, 198. Let's go to the 4-hour really quickly. 4-hour here, crazy consolidation. Let's look at the oscillator. Oscillator's also consolidating quite nicely. I didn't look at the oscillator on the daily. Hold on. Oscillator on the daily. I don't like that this is trying to break here, but if this still creates a turning point, I'll take it for now. But I'm not a huge fan of that. 4-hour though, man, if it creates a decent higher low, that's what we would need for this thing to break back out. But honestly, like we said, it's either going to break through 160 or it needs to break out through 174. And we potentially consider a trade. But past few days, just been trading back and forth for a while, so that's pretty much all we're waiting for. But yeah, so there you go. 165, hold up, fool me, baby, and then 160 last resort. We'll go from there. Okay, give me that structure. Give me that structure. All right. NASDAQ. Oh, NASDAQ. What a bummer. You just had to do me like that. Don't do me like that. Okay. So NASI. All right. NASDAQ really quickly. Right here. Bada boom, bada bang. Bam. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that up. Boop. There we go. There's your Fibonacci on the daily. Fib right now hitting the top of the 382. Next up to 5-0. The nice part about the 50% retracement here from that swing is that it lines up beautifully with these lows. So it is quite nice to see that. Hopefully, if price does pull back, 18's more than likely going to hold, right? It's very possible. From the all-time high, though, right now we are off around down 3% right now on another correction. Well, minor, very minor correction. Don't consider that a full correction. Remember, we had PCE miss. But then the biggest thing was that Chicago PMI, massive miss, right? The lowest it's been in 4 years, right? In 4 years. Crazy to think 4 years ago was 2020, right? End of 2020, right? That's not good. 2020 levels, not the best. So big reason why market's coming down today. But again, it's all healthy movements, guys. Here you go. When in doubt, weekly out. You know what I'm saying? When in doubt, weekly out. Say it with me. When in doubt, weekly out. Look at the weekly chart when you're in doubt, okay? When in doubt, weekly out, you'll be okay. All right, we just had the 8% correction. We're just still chilling. We're well above 18K on the NASDAQ. We're happy. Now we're just kind of just waiting, right? When in doubt, weekly out on NVIDIA. Why don't you go look at NVIDIA and then take a deep breath, okay? Jacob, I clipped that video for you. Dude, I appreciate that, Dame. My nose is itchy. I need my clippers in here. We're gonna set up some clipping in the Discord as well, guys. Speaking of the Discord, guys, if you enjoyed the stream, there you go. Let's go. If you enjoyed the stream, how many likes can I get for this video? You should join up to the Lux Algo live YouTube Discord thread. That's a lot of words. Go to Hangout when you join. It's an absolutely free Discord, by the way. Join the Hangout. Click Threads, top right-hand corner. Click Lux Algo Live. Send us a message. I want to see where you at. Where my play is at. Let's go. But we'll be doing some clipping and stuff. It'll be a lot of fun. We're gonna grow this stream together, my friends. All right. That being said, though, NVIDIA guys, when in doubt, weekly out. You hear me? There's a new motto. Same with the gold, right? Let's go back to the ES now. ES, next step on the list. ES bouncing off the 382 as well, right? ES set another new high. It's coming back out. There's your fib pullback retracement locked in right here. 5215. All right. No offers today, Vishnu. I'm sorry, man. No offers from us, but always tune back in and make sure we don't do it at random days. I'm not in control of that, though, so it's just kind of up to what we think is the best time to do them. All right, because we've done a lot this year. All right, that being said, yeah, there's your 382. The nice part is, guys, on ES and the NASDAQ, the full pullback is sitting right here at 5,120, right? Look at this previous high, right? This previous lower high is right here. That's where we broke. So anywhere that wants to hold up in that area, we could consider that a very nice trend continuation. High or low, right? So that's what we need to keep a focus on. And then same with the NASDAQ. There's your high, right below 18K. So 18K is the big watch there. Let me go into the 4-hour on the NASDAQ. Let's pull up money flow profile. I want to see here. Gets that 200. Money flow profile, highest volume still sitting up there. So we're approaching some pretty decent volume now. Look at this decent volume right here. Buyers were very strong in that area before. That doesn't mean they're going to be strong there again, but we know that people were buying there before. And as you can see as well, look at the high buy volume, right? When there's high buy volume, sadly, a lot of the times that means the buyers might not buy it again off that level. But again, this is such an aggressive sell-off. You might see a minimal reaction with buyers coming back based on covering shorts, right? But there is a potential bounce somewhere between these two zones, which is nice. There's two areas we can keep a close eye on. But overall, it's like, yeah, I would watch it above 18K. I think 18K is the mark. I think we could maybe wick down to like 17.9 or something on the NASDAQ and go from there. But that's just a matter of time. We'll wait and see. Let's go over the euro. The old euro dog. Yo, euro back up today. Remember, bull flag engaged, my friends. Bull flag engaged 4-hour. We were looking for a potential short opportunity, and that just completely deleted it today. It went up, retested the high. Remember what we said, if it's going to trade below this or above this, right, was pretty much the key, right? We wanted to see if it's going to continue that trend to the downside from below this area. But we're now holding back up here, and we hit a high of 108.8 today, right? Hit a high of 108.8. That was pretty much the PCE report that ripped that, it looks like. I think. Let's see here. Yeah. Or no, wait. I forgot. I'm in Eastern time. That was before that. Oh, no. It was 8:30. It was 8:30 time. So, yeah, that's what it was from there. Yeah, so from this now on the daily, what do we want to see? We want to see that if we can get up above the 108.8, maybe we get that, decent little breakout there. If we can break out of that price, we might finally go see the 109.5. That's our ideal target, is that 109.5 up there. The biggest thing right now I would want to see here on the euro, after holding that area we marked off there due to the change of character, right? There's your change of character. Usually we mark off the body close there, right? Up into, or the candle close there, up into where that wick high was, and we draw a zone there for a great pullback zone for potential continuation. This happened to create lower lows and lower highs, indicating a potential bull flag. If we could create a bullish turning point above the 50 level again, I'd be looking for a potential breaking move. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that. And 109.5 is that ideal target to the upside. The euro, remember, it moves in shorter. It has shorter movements in a shorter amount of time. Or it has, no matter what, has a shorter move. It doesn't always make big trends, as you can see here. Short trend, short trend, short trend. But this is the daily, right? Short trend, short trend, short trend, short trend. It's very short on these trends. So this thing trending, breaking through here, I would just be targeting the short side of this. Now, I could break through 109.5 or whatever. But do we have a giveaway today? Yeah, Chief. You got to join the YouTube, though, to be a part of it. But, yeah, looking for that up through the 109.5 is pretty key. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to unlist the other stream again. The bot's going to jump over. If you haven't entered the giveaway yet, make sure you join the vertical stream now. I gave you plenty of time to join on the main stream. But I'm going to give people over there on the vertical stream a chance to enter as well. The bot's going to probably jump over there in just a second, so be prepared for that jumping over. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure you go back over there in just a minute. It should be still active over here, though. And I'll let you know if you didn't get, it probably already moved. Did it move that quick? Might have. But that's the euro, targeting 109, 109.5. Did it really move that quick? Market's going to crash. Market's already pulling back. Yeah, guys, I already moved to the other chat. So, Rafael, Saint, Varun, Inferno, all you guys typing in exclamation 100, go to the other YouTube, okay? Go to the other YouTube chat. Go type it in over there. I'm going to link you right now. I'm going to say giveaway is now in this chat. Giveaway is now here. Make sure you go over there. I'm going to leave it live in there until the end of the stream now, okay? So most people just joined up, but if you want to be a part of that today, make sure you go over there, okay? Wait, hold on. I'm going to pin. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna remove this. Sorry, I'm gonna retype that out. Giveaway is now on other stream. It's gonna be on the vertical stream for now. Once you go ahead and goodness gracious, dude. Look at me mistyping. Giveaway is now on other stream. Errors in the chat for me. Come on, brother. Not on other stream. I'm dumb. God. Is now on other stream. There we go. All right. You can be a part of that one. And then jump back over. Yeah, this is the right one, Rafael. You should be in here now. Should be good. All right. But once you're done there, jump back over, all right? That's the euro for you guys. Looking for the 109 breakout. Today, I would want it to close over 108.5. If it doesn't, at least close over yesterday's high of 108.452. Okay? There we go. Pin. All right. Besides that, guys, I think that's everything on our list that we normally go over. We'll take suggestions here in just a second. Crude oil breaking back down. Man, it wicked our stop for profit there. How are we doing? Dang. This is going to be close on the predictions today. Let me go to the other one because our rune trade is in the red now. And again, guys, on the rune, we're going to go over that now. Let me go ahead and put the trading up. So we're looking for a closing price under this low, and then we'll be out of this, the rest of it. So on the rune trade, guys, you remember, first move, right? Our first initial entry was right here where I drew this circle. Now, our TP1 was 7. Right? That's initially hit here. TP2 was 732. Everybody that was in that originally should be at least only have 10% left. I got a late entry, took our first exit right there at $7. Now the closing of this low here, if it closes below that low there, I will be fully out of rune. But yes, that's where it is. You should have already had TP1. TP1 was here, and then TP2 was here. Okay. And then now you should have less than 50% of your position left, okay? If I got that initial entry, I would have been out of both those levels. But remember, I didn't end up getting it. But watching for that closing price down below that low is what you're looking for, okay? So great job if you were in that trade originally. Let's go ahead and go back to the other setups here. LDO. LDO, yeah. Bots in the other stream right now. I'm saying if you already entered the giveaway, then just chill in the other chat. You only get one entry, guys. You only get one. If you've typed in exclamation 100 in the chat, then you're already in it. LDO gaming. Man is parenting. He got it what? You got it 228. Gaming. This is what we're gonna do. Gaming's killing it. Hold on. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this in honor of you, my friend. Gaming's entry. Why is that? Oh, I gotta shift. I'm dumb. It's 220. 228. I'm gonna just put 228. I guess I could do the whole thing. Hold on. 2285. Hodl Gang member, massive entry here. Gaming entry. Great job, man. So, gaming first TP, like we said, just to be happy, right? Give yourself a little bit of credit that you had a good trade, and you're going to take some out, obviously, right there at the 256. I would put it right at 256. Wait, let's see. Closing price 240, or no, opening price was 256. Yeah, closing price. So right at 256 there. Man, you would already hit a 3-to-1. That's insane. Great job, man. 256. Insane. Stop worrying. I'm here now, shenanigans. Yeah, what's up, dude? Welcome back. But yeah, giveaway bots in the other chat. most Hodl games should have joined. But great job, gaming. Watch to see. I'm gonna actually do this. Boom. So watch that level. After that, I'll be holding some tight, because here, let's go to the daily again. After that level hits, 271, probably 267. I would go for your 256 and then hold the rest. I think we could go up now and retest like 280 or up here at almost $3. We'll discuss that once that first one hits. I'm gonna go ahead and draw another line. I might as well. See if it ever hits. And it was 256. We're gonna call this TP1. Let's just do top right. Boom. There you go. TP1, man. That's your TP1 you're going for, so you're close. Now, after that hits, I think you could ride this to 280 or more. Yeah, what's up, Ron? How you doing, man? It's so crazy long time in jumping from profit to draw down these last 3 days. You think of getting engulfing candle soon? If it's above 160, man, we're hollering. If it's above 160, we're rolling. Above 160, we're rolling. But yeah, TP1 right now on LDO. Great job, man. If a turning point occurs, which AKA will probably occur tomorrow, I'll be 100% considering a trade. I'll probably be riding it with you. I hate that it didn't happen earlier. This thing's playing out very nicely for you. So great job. But yeah, that's LDO. Great job on that. I'm going to go ahead and it should save. I'm not going to get rid of it. Yeah, okay. So Pendle now, guys. Pendle's getting close. Pendle's getting close for an entry. So Pendle right now did reject that high, which I'm not a huge fan of, but we did have a few wicks above, or at around those same highs above 7. If this turning point does occur right here, I do like it a lot. Extended to extended, right? Give you that turning point there. I think we could have a nice move. Let me pull the fib as well here. It kind of lower low. It's like everything's kind of lining up. An imbalance retest would be really clean too. We'll see about that. But from there, watch for this breaking move back through 8. If it gets through 7, we get a candle close above 7, it probably would go touch $8. So that's a big watch for sure. Keep a close eye on that though, for that breaking move to $8. If it does make it, but we have to create a turning point here, which I do like this one a little bit better, because when we make dojis like this, it usually gives it time for that turning point to create on a decent bull day. I'll be waiting for that. Euro, it was that short, I think we were looking for it. It didn't end up playing out, so we're gonna get rid of that. But LDO, man, great job, dude. Great job, yeah, insane. All right, where's our Bitcoin doing? Ooh, it's gonna be a close one, guys. Let me get back to Bitcoin predictions. This could be a close one yet again. Have I looked at Turbo today? No. You know my deals about meme coins. I'm sure it's up it's up even crazier. Oh, it actually pulled back. Insane. That's so funny. Do Luxalco have trading be implemented strategy? Yep. If you want certain strategies too that our members use. Come on, man. Yeah, make sure you join up the Discord as well and click Hangout and then Threads up here. All right, and then Luxal YouTube Live. We're gonna be chatting in there. User strategies, guys. Make sure you go check these out if you do sign up. There's a lot of really good. We only post strategies that are actually profitable. Okay, we only post strategies here that are actually well done, back-tested strategies. You can go there and see which ones might fit your trading style. Right? Everybody has a different trading style. It got listed on Binance. That's why it pulled back. I mean, Turbo. Yeah, I really don't. But free Trump since today. That's one that's probably already hit. Yeah, I'm sure. But yeah, guys. I mean, let me see here. I can't believe ETH is green today. That's nuts. If you're just out tuning in, we got the live stream. We got the vertical live stream right now with the giveaway. So make sure if you want to be a part of today's giveaway, you join the vertical live for now on YouTube. But yet again, ETH ETFs. We'll get updates on when there's going to be trading very soon. The PMI today is the reason why we're red across the market. Did you miss predictions? Yeah, Wardo. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. All right, guys. What do you want to go over? What do you want to go over? If you guys want to go over anything specific, throw in the chat. Let's talk about it. Right now, we have almost 400 entries. Cardano. Whiff. I'm going to just pull up Cardano for a second and look at it. I don't even want to. Oh, jeez. Yeah. So here's the thing about Cardano, guys. It's either you got to wait for it to break 42.50 or break out of 50. If that doesn't happen, it's not going anywhere. It's just going to stay here. ENS. Let's look at ENS real quick. Whiff, my favorite. I don't know about that. ENS, man, is also hovering just fine. Weekly on ENS, guess what? Rejecting that weekly open close high. Having problems, right? I would want to go for 40, though. 41. If it can go rally up and tag 41, that would be ideal. So we'll wait around and see if that happens or not. But we need to break that high around 30. 30, 0.50 would be a nice breaking move on that guy. I hate looking at it. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. I know. That's the whole point. It doesn't do jack squat. Now, guys, yeah, ENS here. Lovely pump with the Ethereum ETF update. 4 hour here. Yeah, I mean, it's just another one where it's like it's got to get out. It's got to get out of this kind of. It's kind of stuck. Get through like 27 or break through 25 kind of thing. Give me a closing price or 24.30 or something. XRP, don't even get me started. ICP. Yet again, ICP as well. It's like nice high low in the oscillator, creating some bullish divergence. Didn't do anything with it, right? You're trading still below that high volume level, but again, it's not that high volume. It's very low, actually. Not the best volume. For this one, yet another. Give me a breakthrough 14, or give me a break below 1150. It's still stuck here. It looks more bearish right now than bullish. The 4 hour is still creating lower highs. It looks like it could definitely come retest maybe like 1150 or something. But yeah, if you're gonna be bullish on the 4 hour, I need above 1232 ish. It's just not going anywhere. Like yet another one of those is just boring. Like do something, dude. We'll look at Microsoft after FTM. FTM finally something a little bit better. Now this is similar to like the Sol and a few other ones. So watching this area right here is pretty much your last resort for this current trend. Change of character happened too, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it is starting to bounce off these previous highs right where that chotch was. If it does, I like it. Look what else you're seeing here with that chotch. Is boom, 618 just got tagged. So now's the time to shine, FTM. Now's your time to get up and go, brethren. Hopefully we can get up over the 8.5 if we can, then going right for that 9227. Look at the 9227 level, right? You see that line there? See that line? All right. Where do you think that line comes from? Where do you think that line comes from? It comes right from a weekly pivotal. This thing on FTM back in 2021 decided to absolutely rip, tag 9227, and then absolutely dump. You feel me, right? So that's significant of a reaction. Every once in a while, it's going to have a reaction to that price. So seeing that go up, tag it again, that's going to take profit for me. But watching this retracement looks really solid here. I'd love to see if we can get through 85 and then continue through that. Maybe $1. Dollar is the target, honestly. Dollar is the overall target, I will say. But yes. What? Oh, Microsoft. Microsoft, remember that 4 hour? Remember we talked about this thing treating this previous high, right? These highs here on Microsoft, this was the biggest thing here. We talked about kind of this area here. Now, price held up in this area, right? The minute, though, Punk Tanner, I saw you see an aggressive candle close, right? Below these lows here, like this one right here, would be the minute you want to get out, right? That's when you see there's no reason to hold it any longer. So yeah, this making it, a complete massive sell-off with the rest of the market. Now, if you have a long-term option or something, if you're trading a long-term situation here, I mean this thing already hit the 618. We'll see if it wants to rally off this, but we have a decent range here, so I'd be watching right now like 400. I could, with this sell-off where it's at, I could maybe see this retesting 400. Could be really nice. I'd be watching 400 right now. Potentially, yeah, like you said, potential buys off of that. Yo, what's up, Naz? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Guys, today, $300 giveaway going on right now in the YouTube vertical stream. We had it in the main stream earlier, but now it's in the vertical stream to give everyone a chance to enter. But yeah, this thing looks like it could definitely go hit 400. Right now, it's touching the 618, though. Stocks tend to follow fibs a lot better. OMNI. Oh, not that one. Let's see here. Are these the same? Let's see, what is that priced at? Priced at 2083. What is it on Tether? 20, okay, cool. I'm gonna do it on Coinbase though. They got more price action. All right, so yeah, this thing broke structure, man. This is very awkward. It hit Coinbase, right? It started trading on Coinbase and then just finally found a level. It's like, let's get it going. So this is a good spot right now. Where would you target? I'd be targeting right here on the daily, 25. Man, my nose is itchy right now. Something's tickling it. I'd be targeting 25, right? So 25 right there off of this previous bounce. If you can get a candle close right here, that's solid. If you can close over 20, I think you're good. Watch for that breakthrough this wick high there, which is 21.46. If it can close up over that, I think you get a nice breakout and then potential continuation right up to that 25 level. So really watch that here. 4 hour time frame, very clean. This thing pulled back and now made its breaking move, which is good. See if the candle can close over 20. That's big. 4 hour candle close over 20 is big. Charlotte Airport is hot garbage. What do you mean? Are you there right now, brother? Anybody in the Charlotte Airport, go hook up our man. Is it the AC not working, brother? Just had an impersonator of you try and add me on Discord. Oh, I'm sure, Jay-Z. There's 100 of them. Do you travel for work, shenanigans? Looks like an eye. Yeah, only 57 minutes until 4 hour close. You are correct, and we're still sitting at more right now. Hopefully we can hit that less for me, and then be more later. Man, Ethereum though, this candle is so nice. XRP now, come on, man. I bet you XRP hasn't done anything this week. Let's see. Has XRP done anything? No, it's done nothing. XRP is the worst. MicroStrategy. What a chart, man. You just gotta follow Bitcoin's price, right? It lines up nicely too, that previous high. That's how close these are to trading with each other. Isn't that nuts? Inside that Neo as well. 104 points? Dang. Lost a lot of points there, man. Somebody just lost a ton of points. They're dueling in the other chat. Yeah, guys, if you could, guys, come on. We have 168 people in here. We're at 84 likes. Come on, smash that like button. Smash it. Smash that like button. What should I do if we hit 100 likes? We just got to start doing challenges or something. Oh, we always hit 100 likes. So it needs to be like a goal, man. It needs to be like a goal or something. Jacob, could you take a look at ETHFI? Yeah. ETH5. It's the same situation, man. This level right here I'd be watching. It's inside that zone right now, which is good. Nice doji. Pith that like. We looked at Crisp a minute ago there, man. Or Fett a little bit ago. Crispy. Yeah, so this area is what I'd watch first off. Get me over 5. If it gets over 5, I like it. Yeah, $5 is key. Why? Look at this previous low here on the daily. Previous low lines up beautifully with that previous high. It's a pretty significant level on this one. So get up over it, right? Kraken. Come on. Why is it showing up here, but there's no price? Weird. Let's look at Avalanche. Avalanche, guys, man, it's still trying. It's trying so hard. I do think it's going to go hit 32 again, though. It's just been trading back and forth forever. Did I cover the beam breakout? I have not. Which beam, though? Beam X? There's all, yeah. Tell me which beam we'll go over it. Let's look at Tia. So Tia right now, 1065. Okay. Would you enter VAR right now? Let's look. Pepe view, please. Pepe's right here. Pepe's back. We gotta look at link. BMAX, yeah, I got you. Yeah, let's look at Tia real quick. Poor Tia, man. This thing got demolished. I finally made a breaking move back through 10. Good job on the double digits yet again, Tia. Here you go. Structure, baby. Give me the structure hold here. Hold above this area here. $10, man. Just bounce above 10 again, please. Then your upside target, to me, would be 1172. We've been there already from this last push. Daily time frame, I mean, 12 bucks. 12 is it. That kind of sucks. Look at this, though, guys. Look at this on the daily. You have an open close high here, open close high here. If you were to just take the low one, right? The low open close high, I'm pretty sure it tagged the exact same price. Let's see. The close of this was 1194, and then open was 1194. Look at that wick. High of this was 1196. Just taking the lower one when it's at the same level is always safer. Yet a great example of always being safer on the open close highs. Always play the safer route, the lower one if there's two that happen like that with big pivots. But man, 1194. This sucker on Tia hit 1196. That's crazy. That's your area though, man. This actually, look at this daily. I mean, also, you know what? I do that all the time, and I could literally just pull up like breaker blocks. And you should see them every once in a while. Like, here you go. Boom. Yeah, like, here's in the chat for me. I mean, I'm not even gonna draw those anymore. What am I doing? So there's you go. There's your zone, dude. Like, watch this entire area. I watched the upper half of that breaker. They're pretty much breaker blocks. Like, that's what they are. We can maybe take a look at SHIB. Yeah, so watch it bounce that off that breaker, man. I love breakers. The other thing we need to probably do is pull up inverse FVGs. Those things are absolutely bonkers. We need to look at those too more often, especially after low sweeps. Yeah, but there you go. It's like 4-hour breaker right there. I would watch, see if it can hold that 4-hour breaker. The low of it's like $10. Hold over 10 on Tia. What did we say earlier? BMAX, yeah. Guys, come on. We're 2 likes away from 100 likes today. Let's go. 2 likes away. Give it to me. Give me the 2 likes. One more. Come on. Somebody has the like button in their back pocket. You better smash it right now. You better. There it is. Let's go, baby. Great job, baby. Thanks for smashing that like button. I appreciate you guys yet again today for hitting 100 likes. Let's get it. Every Friday we try to do these giveaways now. We might mix it up at some point, kind of excite you guys. I feel like we need to do something new at some point, but appreciate every single one of you for tuning in and throwing in your entry. If you want to be a part of today's $300 giveaway, please join the main YouTube stream. Or, sorry, you can join the vertical stream. It's in that chat right now and enter via the vertical stream. Let's see. Everybody on... All right, never mind. All right, BMAX, let's look at it. What am I looking at here? Here's the chat for BMAX. This thing did not. Looks like fake news to me. Yet again, though. Look at the breaker. Look at the breaker play. Boom. Bouncing right off breaker. Beautiful breaker block. Bounce and rally. I don't know what to think of this. What happened with this? Nothing for today. That was February. Last time we got an update. BNB, I haven't looked at it forever, dude. We gotta look at the BNB. Well, I mean, why? Why did it spike today? Somebody, Hodl gang, tell me. Leonida, trading books. I mean, I would probably suggest the same thing everybody else suggests. But to me, I'm not like. I think I've. You know, if you want to read any trading books, look for ones that are about psychology. That's the biggest thing I would recommend. News events. I'm talking about on BMAX. This is a huge buy order from a large bank. Looks like a huge sell order as well. Send me an article. Uniswap. Let's go to Uni. I mean, BMAX though, I would have wanted it to close over 3-1 there, right? Close over 3-1 there, 3-2. I mean, it retested all these levels, but none of them held. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I mean, that's not a great sign that it spikes like this, pulls back. This is the same with like H-bar. If you recall H-bar, we had that massive spike. There you go, boom. Immediately sells back off. This was fake news driven. H-bar price crashes 35% as BlackRock denies. That was April 25th though. Oh, that's the here. I'm dumb. That was on that news of BlackRock's thing. But again, when that happens, it's not the best. Not the best. A lot of people made a lot of money though. Some people made a lot of money up here. I mean, if they bought, especially at 9 up to 16, that's crazy. Oh, they bought a gaming project, you said? I didn't know that. I didn't know. There's way too many. Way too many to keep an eye on. It's like... BMX, we've looked at it a few times on stream, but I haven't really looked into it. Why Bitcoin flat? Is Bitcoin back red? Oh, it's so close, man. It's so close to less. Come on, hit me with the less. We got 30 minutes left on Bitcoin predictions. Gosh. This guy wants high USDT. Guys, yeah, Uni, sorry. Oh, that's what I was going over. You know, I appreciate you requesting things, but please do not spam. Are we seeing a head and shoulders on ETH on the 4-hour chart? Let's see. No. Not really, no. I mean, maybe if it comes all the way back up, but like, here's what you want for head and shoulders, man. Let me like pull up like Solana. We saw one kind of on Solana. You want it, or like Bitcoin, I think. Was it Solana? No, Solana daily. Yeah, daily here. This is what you want. Here's an inverse version of it, right? It needs to be like very minimal, right? It needs to be the right movement and then happen. rather than it just trading back and forth forever and then somewhat functioning a head and shoulders. Here's your inverse head and shoulders version though on Solana. Had a lower low, had another lower low, then it had a higher low. So I had two conflicting. It had a higher low to a lower low, right? Two conflicting right near the exact same neckline. Now this is a kind of skewed one, but it's still the same concept. But this kind of time frame, it needs to happen. All right, let's go back to Uni. Get dangerous. Get dangerous. All right, Mr. Uni, what's up? What's poppin'? All right, so this one by itself here. Let's look at the weekly. First off, pivotal point right here. Market. Pivotal point right here. All right. Well, actually, this one's not as key as this one. We'll mark this one. Boom. Pivotal here. This one had 1 day, sold back off. But did revert there. You could consider that price. But pivotal there, that's pretty common there. 3 times it had major moves off it. This one tried to retrace, then dumped. Right? You can put one here. Try to retrace, then dump. So there you go.
Who's your daddy?
Weekly candles, man. Weekly candles. Can't get better than that. I mean, look at the 4 hour. 1634. Absolutely crushed. All right, so daily, though. On the daily. Man, what I would want to see right now is the fact that this thing literally, here you go, boom. Yet again. Daily. Sells off, retrace off this level, absolutely rips to the downside. Why would I not consider that a spot to keep a close eye on, right? That's the price point I'm going to watch first. It rejected it. Now, I will say it's still in an upward slope. You're still in that uptrend, so looking for this thing to give us a little bit of life here. 50% retracement lines up right here around 930, right? So right here around 930, that's pretty clean. But I would want it to hold up around 960. If it retouches 960, that would be the probably most ideal part. 960, 970. If it can hold up above that high, then we're looking really good here for a potential continuation. So watch for this thing to retrace maybe around 960, 970. I think it could come back down a little bit more. You also just had that BOS form on the 4 hour. This is what you're watching right now. You're watching right here around 980 down to 965. Okay. Between 980 and 970, watch to see if buyers can kind of take that level. Let's go Kaz. Is Kaz doing anything? Kaz, where you at? Okay. Now, this, guys, this is what we like to see. Right? Want to make sure there wasn't... this is what we like to see on a growth chart, right? This is great growth on this one. Pretty sure this is the most mined right now. The most profitable mining crypto. I'm pretty sure. Is it Casper or Casper? It's Caspa. Yeah, Caspa. I think that this is the easiest profitability right now, the most profitability. But yeah, in this case, man, Caspa, not a bad price point right now. This is it. This is what we prepared for. 500 candles is daily right now. This is what we prepared for. You'll see it behind the screen right here. 1 day. So Caspa's, this is where it's at. So if we can get up above 15, if we can get up above 15, this thing will have more room to that upside. Now, it has to get up above that first, though. You can see that high volume area there. Weekly time frame here. Still in a downtrend on the oscillator. It's not a huge fan. Now, this here, whoever was talking about a head and shoulders, this is a potential head and shoulders. Now, you have your line right here, right? If it's going to reject this, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? So that's why we say it has to get over 15, right? It has to clear 15 for this thing to get out of this issue that's having, right? So if it can't clear that, then you're probably going to have a problem. So look at how it already rejected that. We go to the daily here. Already rejected that weekly level, right? On the nose. I mean, come on, man. On the nose. Like I'll move it up a little bit. Like right there. Yet again. on the flipping nose. I mean, so again, if you're not plotting weekly levels, I don't know what the heck you're doing. Still in a very nice uptrend, though. I would not, discount that, okay? Still in a nice uptrend. Does inverse head and shoulders play out? That's the biggest question. Let's go back to the daily here. It's got to get through 15 to crush that. I like this breaker happening here, right? If price wants to revert and then bounce off of that breaker block there, I like it. Let's revert it back and then get some buyers in, crush 15. I think we could be good. Still in a nice uptrend, but really needs to get going here. Really needs to get going. If I was to be bearish on this, it has to break and close below 1250, okay? Adil, if you want to be as precise as possible, sure, but it doesn't matter. It's all the psychology of it. It's not just because there's a pattern that looks like something, like it doesn't have to be like, oh, it has to reject here. It's like if you see that's forming opposite, right? If you're seeing that it forms a higher high, lower high, boom. And the lower high happens to be similar to the first higher high, then there you go. That's it. It's like you don't have to get so complex with it. It can all play the same. Yeah, let's look at Vara. You said that a long time ago. Is this right? Is this right? Hold on, let's go to Coinbase. There you go, better. Yeah, okay. Did this have a setup, you said? Or was it something else? Yoinks. Okay. Dude, this is like, honestly, at this point now for Vara, for some reason, if I wanted to buy Vara, right? If I wanted to buy this for the long term, again, long term, the only time you should ever buy a dip is if you're buying for the long term, okay? Please, for the love of God, remember that. If you're going to buy a dip, make sure you're buying for the long term. Long term is not 1 year, it's not 2 years, it's not 3 years. It's not 4 years. It's at least 5 years, in my opinion. But honestly, at this rate, since it just broke this low, I wouldn't be buying this thing until it hit 5 cents. To be honest, if I was thinking about buying this for the long term, I would not want it to get it until about 5 cents. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's gonna be more. Come on, baby, stay down, stay down. Hour 38 here. We're about 20 minutes away. Let's see if Bitcoin's more or less here. It's very close for us. But yeah, I would be careful. Near. Please tell me near, or if you don't want to give me that $100. Guys, if you spam a symbol, I'm not gonna look at it, okay? I see all y'all symbols. Just don't spam them. And there's a difference between spamming and then posting it every once in a while. Spamming is not going to get you your ticker symbols seen. All right, so near right now, sadly, 850 could not break out. I really wanted it to break out. Like, I wanted it so bad. I wanted it to break out. It didn't happen. 718 right now, right? So this 719, 718, you had that bearish change character, right? We're going to go over link next, yes. Now, if $7 doesn't hold, then I'm going to be a little scared on this one. We're going to see where it ends up. We have this breaker now that it just played, right? And as you can see, watch this. Fib from here, from this pivotal to that pivotal. Boom. Bounce off 618, bounce off the 50. Ka-ching, right? Now we have this pivotal point here. Hopefully this thing can hold up, right? But in this case, watch, for a pullback around 650. I wouldn't even go that crazy. I wish this would have set a new high. I'm not a big fan of this trying to set a lower high. Going into the daily, though. Daily right now, it's just all over. This is a mess, right? It's a mess. I wish this thing didn't take so long to try to go retest $9 or $8. It's probably why it's selling off now. But in this time, this is it. If it doesn't hold 7, I'm going to be targeting back down. I'm going to be targeting 624 or like 640. I'll be targeting 640 if this doesn't hold 7. Okay, so keep a close eye on it. I mean, if you're in near, you don't have to close it yet, but watch 7. Watch $7. See if it closes below or not. Money flow profile is just giving you who's taking what level. Sellers we're taking this level. That doesn't mean when price comes back down here, it's going to get bought. That's not what it means. It just means there was a lot of buyers there. That doesn't mean there's always going to be buyers there again. But you just know what's there from the past. Let me close May up. All right. Fine Arts and God Mood wanted Ordi, and then we're going to look over Bitcoin's ripping now. There was one other I missed that I talked about saying we're going to go over. Link. Let's do Ordi and then Link. Don't. Ordi. Ordi doodle. What even is this? I mean, am I saying that right? Miss Ordi? Hello, Ordi. I'm gonna go Tether. All right, so on Mr. Tether here you go. This is your issue, right? Right there. Smack dab. Holla at me. Boom. That's what I'm watching. 50 buckaroonies. You can go up to 52. It's got to get over 55 to give me some money back, all right? Otherwise, this thing's going lower. Weekly candles, that's struggling. Has to get over those lows. So, it has to get over 52. And then, you know, I'm going to go weekly again. Yeah, 52. Got to get through 52. Close over 52. I like it. Otherwise, this thing's still going lower. I wouldn't look long until it's above 52 from that weekly higher low there. Because change character just happened. If it rejects it, it's going to end up retesting the 36.5. Now, let's go to the 4 hour, though. Come back. What are you doing? I said, what are you doing? Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour here. Yep. Same high there at 50. Had issues coming back down. Now, that being said, we have, yet again, a breaker to target. Breaker block, if that comes into play, would be very nice. I'm going to grab from this pivot here. Boom, 50% retracement right inside that 41% breaker block. Let's take it from there. If price comes back down here, gives you some buyers. Start seeing buyers kind of step up, right? What you can do as well is, let's see here, you know, I mean, it looks pretty good at 44 there. Where's my inverse? My inverse FVG. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, you could anywhere above that too works. Anywhere above 45 works, but you know, if it retraces back to 44ish, watch that area with like a hawk. If you get buyers off of that again, it probably will make that move through 52. So we'll see though. Right now, again though, on that weekly, I don't like it unless it breaks back over 52. So keep a close eye on it. Link next. Hey, look us back up. Go Link. Go Link. Okay. Link, we discussed we want to close over last week's high, which was 1791. All right. Link is trying to close over that right now. It's trading at 18. Please just close over 18. I'll be happy. Link can close over that price. That's money in the bank. We're looking for 21 for sure. 2160. Looking for 2160. If we can get that 2160, that would be very nice. Now, watch for potentially it just blowing through that level and retesting at 22.5 and having issues. If not, I mean, look at this right now. Boom. If it can get up and close this price, this is it, guys. This is what we're watching. Look at this. Look at this weekly. Bounce, weekly reject, boom. This is huge. Watch this. 18.18, okay? Bam, look at the price. Just hard, man. That's difficult. I get it. I understand your issues, Link. Why don't you get up and you start going, brother? All right, so if this thing literally right here makes a retrace, sure, that's fine. Give me 16, bounce right off it. I don't think it's made a significant move to give you that retrace yet. I think this thing needs to go up and retest right here at 19, or sorry, right here at 20, really. And then we're ready. Okay, so go make one more breaking move, Link, up to 20. That's going to be my first target from the daily high there, and then Link on this weekly high is 2168 at the next target. But overall, all it has to close this week is over 1791, okay? Please. Close over 79.1. Would you take profit on Link now? If I was in at 14 and I was in a leveraged trade, if I was in anywhere, if I was in anywhere below 15 and I was leveraged and I was looking for a 1 to 2 day trade or a 1 to 2 week trade, I would be taking some profits right here at 18 from this weekly level. I'd be taking some profits right here at 18. I mean, this extends all the way back to here as well. 100% will be taking some profits here at 18. But if I'm looking for the long term, we're going for 25, 26 area. I've been holding Link for a while. But really, really looking for this thing to get up to 25. Now, again, though, 18, if I was leverage trading, I was looking for a price target. 18 would be TP1. LDO hit TP1? Let's go look. Let's go look. Holy crap. Yo. Oh, you put it at 250? Or 255? Go. Give me. What was your TP1? Man, I'm pissed. I don't know why I didn't get that. Jockey, we went over FTM earlier. We went over FTM earlier. LDO, man. Great job. Beautiful. A beauty. Great job. Man. All right. So, oh, yeah. Let's look at render. I don't know how many times. Okay, render hadn't done anything. $10 to hold on render. I want to watch that. Render, nice pullback, but setting a lower high now. Daily time frame here. We have this, we have an FVG sitting right here as well. Let me pull up this again. Boom. Got an FVG sitting right there. I'll be watching that around 950 if it breaks 10. $10 is it. $10 is that hold. That's what it's made for. Watch, see if it holds 10. If not, then we're watching this zone right here. Boom. Can it hold up above that price? Or hold it within that zone up to 950, I'll give it that. But I hate that it swept the high here. Notice how render swept the high here. It swept it there and come back down, sets a lower high. This thing's primed to potentially go lower to 950. Not a huge fan that it swept that high. All right. I have a long open on render. Should I pray for 10 to hold? What kind of long though? Are you leveraged on this long? Or are you looking for the long term? I mean, that's your biggest thing. Dude, heck yeah. Gaming, great job, man. No, nothing better than hitting take profit. The 1 second master trader, Doberman said. Mr. Tech Jack, dude, I've seen every single message that you put in here, and all it's been is spam, dude. If you're going to come in here and you're going to keep copy and pasting the same thing over and over again, I'm not going to look at it. I promise you. I know which one is spam. If you ask nicely, to go over ONDO, I will go over ONDO. Please don't come in here and start just copy and pasting messages. Money flow profile is pretty easy, man. It just tells you straight up. This level here, 325 and 279, there was a lot of buying activity, right? A lot of buying activity that happened there. That doesn't mean when price comes to that, there's going to be more buyers there. It could mean when price comes back to that, because a lot of buyers there were there before. If price retests it, sellers might step in and take that level. The biggest thing I like to watch is the amount of volume at levels. That's what this is. Yellow is peak volume. This zone here is giving you the most volume on the chart within the 200 bar range as stated in the dashboard or in the settings right here, 200 bars. I can change that if I want. I can also change whether I want it to show volume or the money flow, right? It's a little bit different. I like doing volume. So in this case, you got money flow on this side, volume on this side. Now, this is sentiment on the volume side. Now, this up here, a lot of volume. Majority were buyers here at 10, but up here, there was very minimal. When there's nothing showing, it's even Steven. That's anybody's game, anybody's level. let's fight to the death type situation. You feel me? So it can literally get in any direction when you get into those. This is what you call kind of the value ranges, right? So let's see what it does in those blank zones. Who's taking what? Who's taking what out? You feel me? One person asked you about high USDT around 100 times. Yes, they did. And then you also asked me about ONDO. I'm not gonna do it, man. I'm not gonna look at it if you're gonna sit there and just throw it in the chat a trillion times. But if you ask nicely, I'm happy to do that. Okay, I'm happy to look at it. You'll see people come in here, and then they will come in here and they'll type the ticker symbol they want to see every few minutes. They won't just sit there copy paste, and be every other message. It's okay to come in. Hey Jacob, may you please look at Unify. Example, he said. Exactly. Look at auction. There you go. There's your auction. Now, when the chat's moving, once the chat has gone away, okay, picture this, okay? If you can see your message more than once in a normal chat window, that's too much, okay? Unless it's different messages. If it's different messages, fine. But if you can see the same exact message that you keep copying and pasting in the window more than once, that is way too much. I consider that spam. But once the chat flows through, you can ask again. All right, auction. Auction, there you go. This is already, the money flow profile is telling you what's up. It's telling you how's it going right here at roughly the 26.50, right? It already has that high volume level that you're worried about. Now, it's got to get through that first. Nice part is it lines up with a very key structural point here as well. So we know that point's very high volume, massive sell bar there. So it coming from there, I would want to see it first get a closure over 28. I would have 100%, if I was in a long trade, let's say at 16 or something, would have targeted right here at 27. 100% would have targeted 27 at open close level. You can see the issues it's had. If you want to continue to the upside, it's got to close over that. The only reason I see it potentially stopping here is because it's very extended on the oscillator. We'll see. The money flow is trying to pull back, which is good, meaning that it could be getting out of this downtrend. So if it's getting out of this downtrend, watch for a healthy pullback. Man, that's a high wick. Watch for it to kind of change. I would just give it 20, stay at 20. Here's 22, and then also 20. Between 22 and 20, watch to see if it can kind of hold up around there, and then come back. Dude, yeah, you can join the Discord, guys. You want to join the Discord? BK, can you link the Discord, please? BK is going to link the Discord to the main YouTube chat. It's absolutely free, by the way. Make sure you go to Hangout and up here on Threads. If you can be a part of the main community as well. I would suggest looking at the community and all that. You can talk and chat about the indicators too. But if you want to be a part of the one with everybody here in the YouTube stream, make sure you go to the Hangout section. You click Threads at the top of the screen, and then you click Luxaga Live on YouTube. Let's see what we got here. What are you guys looking at? Let's throw it on Jupe on the iPad. But yeah, we'll be talking about a lot of things here. So make sure you're in there, and would love to chat with you guys talking about trades. All right, there it is. We can talk about back testing too, guys. We can talk about whatever you guys want. That's the whole point of the chat. Bullets in the next day or so on Bitcoin. So yeah, we can talk about that here. Actually, thank God I looked. 5 minutes left. I think Bitcoin's gonna be more. Yeah, it's well more now. Dang. 4 hour close looking real strong. Remember what we said? It could be a really strong close here on the 4 hour. Dang, dude, retest that level too. Dang, more is gonna win again. I'm slacking. So yeah, Bitcoin right now, if it's gonna close over, like we said today, if it closes over this 67 level, we're going to be looking for that breaking move to 70 potentially through the weekly close. But the weekly close is what's big. The weekly close is what we're watching here. We're watching to see if this weekly close can happen in the green. It'd be nice. Bitcoin prediction is going to be more, man. Yet again, that 15 minute was failing me. I shouldn't have looked at the 15. Should have stuck to the 4 hour. It's just so weird, man. I wish they made an hour and a half candle. I guess I could plug in an hour and a half candle. I guess I could have plugged in the hour and a half candle. That's what I'll do next time. We'll look at the hour and a half chart, 90-minute chart. Dude, ETH is looking really good. Somebody wanted. Hold on, he's been asking the whole time. SHIB. I'll look at SHIB really quick, man. I'm not a huge meme coin person. The biggest thing about meme coins, man, is volume, following volume. Wait for a volume spike, something significant. But for SHIB here, get up over that 3 again. If it gets over 3, I would like it. I'd be targeting 3.2, and then I'd be targeting 3.6. If it breaks below 2.5 or 2.4, then you're probably going to see a retest like 2.2. Dot. Also, if you're a Hodl Gang member, I will take your suggestion over everybody else. Wally, dude, if you just tune into the stream more often, you'll hear a lot about it. The biggest thing is just immersing yourself with information. Like, go watch a bunch of YouTube videos first, kind of get into the swing of things. Get an account on a free TradingView account. Start looking at the charts. Lots of echo around here. What are you talking about? Dot. Let's look at Dot. Dot, similar situation. Look at it reject that breaker, but if this thing swept the highs, look for it to pull back, maybe go retest like 670. This thing looks like it does want to break back down on the daily here. I mean, honestly, it might even test 650. But from here, it took out this low as well. It does look bearish. It is extended on the 4 hour, so it might come back, retest this breaker, and then come back. A lot of buyers were there before, so let's see the sellers take that. A lot of buyers there before, right? Sellers took that level. Boom. That's why I retest that low, because of all those buyers. But right now on this, yeah, I think this thing on the daily is gonna probably go retest. Like, if it closes below 693, if it can close below that, you're probably gonna see it test 650. Dude, Bitcoin is ripping right now. Let's go. Let's freaking go, dude. Cashcoin, you gotta have miners to do that, man. You gotta buy machines. I have my old Bitcoin miners actually right there. Maybe pull them out. The old S9s. Now they're obsolete. What does an S9 do now? It probably doesn't do anything. S9. Oh, wait. Bitcoin prediction really quickly. Gosh, dang it. It's going to be less. It's going to be more. Sorry. Well over more. What was the more price for you guys? Y'all's price for Bitcoin predictions was 67309. Dang, absolutely demolished. Absolutely demolished. 30 seconds. All right, fine. I was very bullish. Very bullish on this. I was very happy for this 4 hour candle to close bullish, but honestly on this retest, I thought in an hour and a half it would actually come back down, but I love the retracement. It's awesome. Love it. I love when Bitcoin hodls. I should have Hodl Gang strong. Come on, man. All right, 10 seconds. I can finally close it. Let's see it. 3, 2, 1. Winner today is More. Congratulations, guys. If you put more in your Bitcoin predictions, great job. Get 100 points added to your profile. Monday, yet again, we have our top 10 viewers again. Let's see who our more pickers were. See who our more pickers were. All right, we got Cosmic Peak with the more. Congrats, Cosmic. June with the more. Great job, Doberman Guy with the more. Punk Channer with the less. Sortic with the more. Crypto. Hold on, errors in the chat for me for going more. Gosh, dang it. Muscle with the more. Great job. Fam with the less. Come on, man. Marlan with the more. Bash with the more. Dame with the more. Varun with the more. Frank with the more. Look at everybody inversing me. Goodness gracious. I'm just giving you guys free points. RB with the more, Tartar with the more, Tom with the more, Maxwell with the more, Eli with the more, Eduardo's with the more, land with the less. Come on, land. That was the wrong button. Come on, land. There you go, brother. Goodness gracious. Lolita with the less. Come on. Don't follow me, guys. Always invert me. Demonic with the turbo. Goodness gracious. Demonic with the more. Sniper with the more. Viral with the more. AJ with the more. Jockey with the less. Boss with the less. THC with the less. Come on, man. Silent with the more. Crypto Kid with the more. Gaming with the more. Robber with the less. Foddy with the less. Mike, what? You didn't put anything in, Mike. What happened? You didn't put your Bitcoin prediction in. What do I give Mike? You got to be honest, Mike. What'd you have? Cozy with the more. Vishnu with the more. Great job. Free speaker with the less. Come on, brother. Come on. John Paul with the more. Gosh, there's so many. Troy with the more. Marissa with the less. Bola with the more. Jazz with the less. Aaron with the more. I spam Forest. Frost with the more. Jonah with the less. Igor with the... Okay, goodness gracious. Oh, my gosh. Red with the more. Beers with the more. Richard with the more. David with the less. Shane with the more. It all loaded today. Precious with the more. Goodness gracious. Great job to all of our mores out there. If you got your Bitcoin prediction in, you said more. One more time for all of you in the back. I appreciate you. Great job. Got the more. Got the more in. Awesome. All right, guys. I think you know what time it is. Let's get back to it. Yeah, negative $2.55 a day. Yeah. Demonic knows what's up, man. Demonic, do you still mine, brother? You still mine? I hear Kaz is like the thing. I don't really. I do mine. I still mine like Helium Mobile. But that's about it now. All right. Because I don't have the facility to facilitate something like that. Some big operation anymore. All right. Let's get to the giveaway, my friends. Giveaway is done. Let me go ahead and get the bot back over to the mainstream, and we'll get cooking. Public, unlisted. Yeah, okay, here we go. You mind Flux? You have 3? They're not like Helium anymore, right? It's freaking IoT, whatever. BS. The Helium craze was awesome. Get into the mobile game, man. Go see what your I'm in such a good spot for mobile for me though. Mobile Helium is insane, dude. How many years have you been doing this? Man, I've been buying Bitcoin since 2015. I've been looking at charts since say about 2015, yeah. Dude, I do the same thing, Wardo. That's hilarious, bro. I literally do the same thing. Every IoT I get, I swap for Solana. That's hilarious, bro. That's exactly what I do. That's so funny. We gotta talk. We gotta chat. All right, guys, we're gonna do the giveaway here. Bitcoin absolutely ripping. That makes me happy. Honestly, that makes me happy. All right. Besides that, guys, make sure you join the Discord. Yo, what's up? Oh, Shib. I did Shib real quick. Not a huge fan. Volume's everything on that. PMI, the reason we're down today. Make sure you join the Discord and you click Hangout. And then you go to the Threads tab up here. You click Luxalgo Live on YouTube. We're going to be chatting in there after hours as well. All right. Let's get to the full deal here. Give me 1 second. Let me go back to minimize. If I full screen that. Oh, no. It did not just do that to me. Oh, no. Hold on. You're going to have to give me a second. I hate when this happens. Crap! Wait, hold on. Anybody see my mouse up there? Can I get it? Wait, I got it. Hold on. I got it. Y'all are going to have to give me a second. Hold on. Freaking screwed that up. Give me 1 second while I get this fixed. I hate when it does that. I have to. I'm sharing an opposite screen, so it screws up. We're going to do the giveaway in just a minute. 1 sec. Why do you do that to me? Here we go. Let me grab it. Boom. Boom, bam, boom. Hold on. All right, bet. Now, Go back. Giveaway here. We're going to pick our winners in just a minute. Just making sure I get everything back up and running. My goodness. I screwed it up again. Okay. Let's get it. Bots back over. Okay, bet. Guys, if you want to know who wins, make sure you join the other stream. You join the main stream now. That's where the bot is. First, we need 72K. I'm going to go ahead and get this over. I'm going to go ahead and close down the giveaway right now. 516 entries. Great job, guys. Closing them right now. If you weren't a part of it, I'm sorry. But come back on next Friday. We'll get it. Let's go. All right. I think y'all know the drill first. I got to get our bumping music first. The music's the first thing we got to do. Y'all think I can... Hold on, let me see here. I'll say, y'all think I can do it from my phone and I'll walk around in ish? Let me see here. Just kidding. All right. We'll figure something out fun for the giveaway. Maybe I'll do it on the TV at some point or something like that. All right.
Disco Inferno, let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. It is giveaway time, my friends. If you were a part of today's giveaway, now is the time to see who our winners are. We're picking 3 $100 winners. On the first beat drop, you know the drill. We're going to pick our first winner. I'm going to get this. Let's see if I can get this desk up without wrecking anything. It'll let me. Without wrecking anything at all. Will it happen? I bet. All right, here we go. First winner up, my friends. First winner up. James Soon. Or just James Oon. Congrats, man. Or James Soon, whichever it is. Congrats, my friend. You won $100. If you want to be a part or you want to claim that winnings, make sure you join the Discord. You go up to the top right-hand corner, you click show member list, or sorry, you go over, you just click wherever. You join the Discord, not that one. And then you click right here, click my name, Jacob, and reach out to me, man. I will tell you how you can claim your winnings as well. Now we'll wait for the next one. Great job, Soon. If you want to be a part of these giveaways, guys, you do have to be subbed to the YouTube channel, so make sure you join the YouTube to be a part of it. Next winner coming up very shortly. Who's it going to be? This build-up's always, this one's always crazy. You got to pick one more winner, or 2 more winners. 2 more winners. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Here it is. Dame! Let's go! Yes! Dame! 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 Dude, that's awesome. Let's freaking go, dude. Let's freaking go. He won a Friday giveaway. Come on, man. Great job, dude. No freaking way, bro. No way. No way. That's awesome. Congrats, man. You deserve it. Dave, one of our all-time viewers, dude. One of our main viewers, always. You know the drill. You know how to reach out. All right, last but not least, my friends. Let me revert this song just a little bit. Here we go. Very last winner. Congrats to our winners. One last time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Winner is Mike. Big Mike, another Hodl Gang member. 2 Hodl Gangs today. Big Mike, are you here? Mike Play. Great job, brother. Congrats, man. 2 Hodl Gang members win today. Let's freaking go, dude. Congrats, Mike. I don't know where Mike is, but hopefully he comes back and tunes in. He messed up his Bitcoin entry. But, Mike, great job, dude. If you won today, y'all know the drill. Dame, I know you know the drill. Make sure you join the Discord. Let me go ahead and exclamation Discord in the chat for you guys. It's absolutely free Discord, by the way. Make sure you join the Discord and you, ooh, what is this one? Dom Dalla and Kanye West. I bet. Oh, yeah, because it's San Francisco. Make sure you click my name here after in the member list. Click Jacob, and then you reach out to me, all right? I got you. I got you. I got you. All right, my friends. I think we leave it there. Congrats to our winners yet again. We got James Soon, we got Mike, and we got our boy Dame, brother. Let's get it. Also, make sure if you do join the Discord and you like the stream, join up in here. Let's go, Mike. Let's go, Dave. Let's go. If you're in this chat right now, W's for Dame. W's for Dame in this chat right now. Oh, this is lit. Nice. This is good. Good little combo. Good combo here. Let's go. W. There's the W. Now you have to get a whiskey. Damn, do you even like whiskey? But join up, guys. Join the Discord. Come on, we're gonna have a good time in here. There you go. BK, let's get it. All right, I'm about to get freaking copyright flagged. All right, either way, guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys back on Monday. Y'all know the drill. We'll be back full week this next week, all right? Full week this next week. Let's go. Remember, we have some news coming out next week. Obviously, we'll be live at between 1 and 2 Eastern every day next week. If you have any questions, let me know in the Discord chat. We'll be chatting in there all day, all night, all weekend. We'll talk about the weekly close in there through the weekend. If you want to chill, let's hang out. Hang out in that chat. But yeah, Discord is absolutely free. Join up. We'll see you in there. Besides that, guys, you want market updates with everything going on, make sure you follow our Twitter. We literally post there daily with everything you need to know about the important things going on in the market, as well as really great analysis. So, guys, go check it out there. We'll keep you updated with everything. And click that little notification bell as well. Besides that, my friends, I love you. Have a great weekend. Thanks for tuning in. Be ready. The stream's going to get pretty epic. We got the wireless mic now, so I can do stuff like this. You know, I might just come over here and crack a brewski for our boy Dame. Just kidding. But maybe someday. If I can legally do it on stream, I will. And we'll see. I have to look that up. But either way, guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Peace out. Cartwheel. Goodness gracious.
I first moved there in 1999. I was supposed to go out there for like a semester of college, and I ended up never leaving. It's that energy on the dance floor that I think has, helped house music completely thrive from there. There's definitely like the leftover hippie vibes from the 60s and 70s, I think. It's just a great place to go out. There's something going on every night of the week, and people there are fun, and it's just, I love it.
San Francisco, where's your disco?
Appreciate you guys.